Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to get Undertale on your iPad. While there isn't an official app, several clever methods allow you to enjoy this beloved game on your tablet. We will explore streaming options and discuss cloud gaming possibilities. Get ready to dive into the underground from anywhere with your iPad, experiencing the unique story and characters. One convenient way to play Undertale on your iPad is through Xbox Cloud Gaming. You will need an active subscription to access this service. Simply open your iPad's web browser, navigate to the Xbox Cloud Gaming website, and add it to your home screen for easy access. This method allows you to stream the game directly, requiring a strong internet connection for optimal performance, ideally 20 megabits per second or more. Another excellent option is to stream Undertale from your personal computer using the free Steam Link application. Install Steam Link on your iPad and ensure Steam is running on your computer with Undertale installed. For the best experience, pair a Bluetooth controller with your iPad. A robust and stable Wi-Fi connection is essential for smooth, lag-free gameplay, transforming your iPad into a portable gaming display. It is important to remember that Undertale does not have an official iOS application. While unofficial ports might be found online, they often come with potential security risks and may not be regularly updated or fully compatible. For the safest and most reliable experience, we highly recommend sticking to established streaming services or remote play options. Enjoy your journey through the captivating world of Undertale on your iPad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.